Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post a reel on Facebook app. Let's launch the Facebook app first. Then you want to head to the top right corner and you want to click on the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, you will have the options to post a reel, a story, or original regular post. Let's click on the reel option. Now let's click content that we want to publish. I select this particular image over here. So now on the right side you have a small pop-up menu where you can add or edit a small edits on your post. First thing you want to add over here will be audio. You will be able to add music to your post on Reel. The small difference is over here that if you want to add music, you want to reduce the actual volume of the original sound of the video. You don't want to have a mix of sounds, okay? This is how you're gonna adjust. Also, you can add voiceover on the lower option as well. After finishing with this, we can move to the next step, which essentially is to add text. You can click on the text button and you can simply add whatever you'd like to. You can change the color on top as well. Over here, you can make the background of the color popping out or making smaller or bigger, larger. Next thing you want to do, of course, is you can actually design and add a small clip art or something that looks like a GIF from this option over here. The Facebook will always give you a recommendation for what is currently trending, all of these, but you can go ahead and scroll and look through different genres. Something that is already from music, popular, or some celebrities. Or if you look for something very in particular, you can click on the search bar and you can just search for it. The next option that is available on the small menu over here is effects. I don't find this too crazy, too hyped. I like the dragon, right? The first option that you see over here. It doesn't hurt too much the vision, or it doesn't distract too much the audience. Everything else is kind of dull. If you look, maybe this one looks like the older, like the first version of Instagram, like vintage vibe. I think this is kind of cool. Next thing you want to do, of course, will be to publish the reel. Publishing the reel will be same as publishing a post on Instagram Reels or Instagram regular post. You want to add all of your metadata over here, the title, the description, couple of sentences explaining about the video or the picture, and of course couple of hashtags. You can tag people, same as usual. This will be the first option after the metadata, the location, and of course if you add additional music and sources, you can essentially tag the artist as well. This is an option. If you're eligible for monetization, you will have the earn money enabled. This means that people can simply contribute you with stars that you can later convert in money, in actual money. And of course, you can automatically share your post from Facebook Reels to Instagram. As you can see, there is an option over here, share to Instagram automatically. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.